24 Local Locksmith is a leading locksmith provider with 15 years experience serving both residential and commercial needs in New York City, specifically the areas of Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, and Staten Island. We're available to assist 24/7 in the event of an emergency when you get locked out of your home, business, or automobile. Don't panic, because we can be there right away to help you gain access or offer lock repair, car ignition repair, key cutting, lock installation, and more. For more information, please visit our website by going to www.24locallocksmith.com or call us at 718-850-0058. Again, visit us at 24locallocksmith.com or call us at 718-850-0058. We're dedicated to the professionalism and excellence of our trade. We service all of New York City and keep a large inventory of security products. Visit us at 24locallocksmith.com or call us at 718-850-0058.